So our third task is contact form plugin. This task or feature is used for adding a contact or any kind of form in the front end of the site. So here we can see the front end as we want to add a contact form. So first let's go to the dashboard. Then we need to click on plugins. So the plugins activated in your site will be you can see in here. This is the list of plugins. So as you can currently see, there are no plugins here. So at first we need to click on add new. Then there is a search bar. We will add Ninja form that is commonly used. So we search for Ninja form. So here it is. We need to install it first. So we will click on install now. It will take some time. So it is installed now. Then we will get the option of activate. So we will click on activate. The form is activated in the plugins page. So we can see it now. Then we will click on Ninja form, which will appear after activating the form and in the dashboard. So we will click on Ninja form and we will click on add new. So as we want to create a contact form, so we will click on contact us. Here you can see the form format actually. Then we need to click on pages. If you click on pages, then after that you need to click on add new. After clicking add new, it will give you option of add title. The form you will add in your page, you can select or give the title here. If we give the title contact form, it will be the title of our form. So if as we can see here, the append ninja form. If we select one, then it will be our form. Then at the top we can see publish. If we click on publish, the form will be published in our page, and here we get the option of view page here. If you click on that, we will see contact form. It is the title we given, and this is the form. Also, if we go to the back, here we get some options of editing the form, the format, many things. So that was the task of adding a contact form from plugin.